Hello everyone, good day to all of you. This video will discuss the neurotransmitters and their functions. So neurotransmitters are the chemicals which are synthesized in our body cells to transfer messages or impulse from one neuron to the another. It may be the excitatory and the inhibitory neurotransmitter. So examples are the glutamate and the aspartate, and the inhibitory neurotransmitter are the GABA and the glycine. Classification of the neurotransmitters may be the amino acid, cholinergic, adrenergic, histaminergic, tryptophanergic, and the neuropeptides. So first neurotransmitter is acetylcholine, and it was first discovered and most common excitatory neurotransmitter in the peripheral nervous system. So it is derived from its chemical nature, and it is the ester of acetic acid and the choline. It is found in the central nervous systems and normally excitatory, stimulates muscle contraction involving the thought, memory, learning, and general intellectual functioning. Deficit maybe causes Alzheimer's disease, and the surplus causes severe muscle spasm known as myasthenia gravis. Second one is the dopamine. It is the neurotransmitter which constitutes about 80% of the catecholamines contained in the brain and the rest of the phenylethylamine. So these are the monoamines and synthesized from the tyrosine amino acids. It is found in the brainstem function. It is both excitatory and the inhibitory, involved in control of complex movement, motivation, attention, pleasure, sensation, and reward mechanism. Deficit of the dopamine causes the Parkinson's disease, where the surplus causes the schizophrenia or the drug addiction. So next one is the noradrenaline and the norepinephrine. These are the monoamines and the most predominant neurotransmitter in the sympathetic nervous system. It is located in the brainstem. It is excitatory and used for arousal in the fight, flight, fear response, attention, memory, and the learning, sleep, and wakefulness, and the mood regulation. So next one is the serotonin. So it is inhibitory, regulates of mood and emotions, regulation of sleep and the wakefulness cycle, control mood intake, and the pain control. Deficit causes the depression and the mood disorder, where the surplus causes the autism. In the above side, it is the structure of the dopamine structure. So next one is the GABA, that is gamma aminobutyric acid. So it is a major inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain. It serves as a brake against excitatory message and regulate daily sleep-awake cycle. So deficit causes anxiety, and the surplus causes sleep and eating disorders. Next one is the endorphin function. These are the polypeptides synthesized by pituitary gland of the central nervous system, and it is a natural pain and stress fighters. Inhibit transmission of the pain messages and the positive emotions. It is used as a medical purpose. So glutamate is a major excitatory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. It is usually in your balance with the effects of GABA. So it is antagonistic of the GABA. It is if used in memory, learning, involvement. Effects too much glutamate and in too little GABA associated with the epileptic seizures. So here is some description about the acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter which releases a chemical message by our nerve cells to send signals to other cells, such as neuron, muscle cells, and gland cells. Chemical structures as follows. And this structure of the dopamine suggests that the phenylethylamine structure and the catechol structure forms the dopamine structure. So all about neurotransmitters. Keep watching. Thank you.